There are 5 products that continually make a great income online. Or should I say there's 5 product categories that continually make great money online. In this video, I want to talk you through them, show you what they are, and show you how you can slot your product into them so you too can profit. Let's go. Things fall into, I believe, 5 main categories. And these 5 main categories are: this solves my immediate, important distinction, pain. It's actually very, very hard to sell a pain that is not immediate. That's why insurance companies have to try really hard to sell you insurance. But the very, very second you need insurance, you'd pay anything for it. Okay, now that's why that works. So that's number 1. This solves my immediate pain. This connects me to my community. People want to be connected. We're hugely social animals. People want to be connected to other people. This makes my life easier. This feels luxurious, which is also linked to a status thing, meaning this makes me look better in the eyes of others. And you could argue that is a proxy for reproduction. This will make me money, or this will save me money. Okay, they're the top 5 that people go for. So with that in mind, quick little game for you. This one here. So this is the Wayland Survival Settlers Tool. Very, very good brand. These do their listings uber well. You can learn from these. What does this fall into? What is this mostly, do you reckon? Do you reckon this is a pain solving tool? This is a connection tool? This is a making life easier tool? Is a luxury kind of status tool? Or this will make me money or save me money tool? What do you reckon? It drills holes. It's like a hand drill. Okay. Makes life easier? Absolutely. So number 3, this is going to make your life easier. Okay. You could also argue as well, pretty convincingly, that this is also a connection tool as well, because this bushcraft survival thing, there's a whole thing around that. I think it's actually pretty good idea that that's a belt hook for that, so people can see that you're in the bush survival niche. I think that's probably a good thing. Anyway, next. What about this one? Essential energy drink. Now, this listing is not so great. They could do a lot more, but still, look at the ratings they've got. What the fuck do I know? Their listing is not great, but look at the ratings they've got. 87,000, insane. So what's this one all about? Is this about solving pain? Is it about connecting community? Is it about making life easier? Is it about feeling luxurious? Or is it about making or saving money? Of course, you have an interesting thing to ask yourself is, how would you position this product so that it was something else within those 5 things I gave you? How else would you position your product if you were up for that? This is the energy drink. I'm tired. I can't focus. I have low energy. I'm in pain. This is a pain saver. This is solving a pain that people have, okay? Last one. Who on earth would want to have this stuck to their car? Anyway, imagine that stuck to your car. That would be uber embarrassing. I just can't imagine that people would want that on there. But clearly, you know, again, what the hell do I know? 5,762 reviewers. Holy crap. They must have been getting a lot of people. Maybe it's the parents buying it for the kids. This is not the kids buying it for themselves. This is the parents buying it for the kids. Anyway, so what is this? This solves my pain. This connects me to community. This makes my life easier. This is a status thing, or this will make or save me money. Solves a pain. Anxious driver. Absolutely. Yeah. Solves a pain. Anxious driver. So again, it's interesting to think, how would you alter this So that this instead was something that connected you to a community, for instance, or instead became a status symbol. How would you alter it so that that was a status symbol? Interesting things to ponder to take your product research to a different level. That's a video from my regular Monday question and answer session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're a community of 2,500 e-commerce direct-to-consumer entrepreneurs right around the world with sales of over $50 million and growing. If you'd like to find out more what we do, check out the link in the description. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information like this, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.